I'm Cecilia Wheeler with Wheeler Vacations. We are at the Port of Miami. Isn't that a beautiful view? We are getting ready to set sail on the Norwegian Joy, and we're going to show you all about our cabin. Our suite is really nice and we want to share it with you. So until we get back, like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you soon. Hello, and welcome to our suite, 14750 on the Norwegian Joy. It's a balcony suite, so let's take a look. Let's start in the bathroom. Bathroom has a nice open shower with a tub if you have children, and we have some really nice products for your shampoo and akatani, and for your lotions, and a nice spacious place to put all your products. And then let's look in here. We have a king size pillow top, wonderfully big bed, nice and cushy, nice and spacious place to sleep. We also have an area here to sit and relax with your coffee in the morning or your room service. And we have plugs and everything ready for you for your phones and your chargers right here next to your bed. We also have a nice spacious place here to put your belongings. We have drawers ready. Lots of drawer space for you to use. And a TV to keep up with all your information. And look, they left us some special treats and wine, and your coffee station. Don't forget that. That is very important to have in your room. We enjoy our coffee in the morning. Now, the spacious closet space that we have the robes and your hangers and your space on both sides. We have more closet space here, and then let's go to the balcony. And don't forget, we also have, for the ladies, a special vanity area just to put on your makeup. And let's go outside. Here is your nice sized balcony that you can enjoy a cup of coffee or a glass of wine at night before you hit the wonderful activities that are on board. Now, look at this. This is Miami. This is the Port of Miami. There is all kinds of beautiful scenery around here you won't want to miss. And over here, right across the way, is Star Island. Isn't it beautiful? Look at those boats and look at those beautiful homes. We would like you to call us, Wheeler Vacations, to help you book a wonderful cruise on the Norwegian Joy. So give us a call and contact us at www.wheelervacations.com.